Give you guys a brief look at the tiny garden. Guess this would still be considered winter. I mean, we were 76 today, I think, for almost a record high, and it's supposed to get down in the mid-30s in a night or two. I have carrots and greens in this box. Have some yellow onions and cilantro. Chives, thyme. My little buddy's resting place. My new mount for more hummingbird feeders. I have in the large box here, I have garlic in this area. Have shallots. You can see some of them poking through here, and more sweet yellow onions here. Strawberries, I did lose a couple over the winter, but some also multiplied as well. So I'm about to put another strawberry or two. More chives. Containers over here are potatoes that I planted yesterday, and as they sprout through the surface of the dirt, I'll keep putting dirt around them so they can continue to make little bitty potatoes. Carrots. Leeks. I'm excited about growing leeks this year. These are multiplying onions. I have more smaller leeks down there that I started from seed in my greenhouse. I have lettuce, cabbage, collards. I have a couple tomatoes that I've set out here that I will cover. We have quite a few tomatoes that we are starting with seed that you see has came up nicely, but I'm not going to put them out in the garden yet. I sure don't want them to freeze. All of my wife's succulents and few flowers that she has out here are about to get sent to my back porch. And coming out of the garden. And I'm redoing my compost piles. This is finished compost. Here is new in the making, and over here is going to be an added area that I make where I'm actually working the most current compost on a weekly basis to keep it tumbled and everything. And I know it just looks like a pile of leaves now, but I'll show you different later. That's my toy box project over here that I've primed with quilts. And then, of course, my recording studio. Hope you enjoyed it.